topic, the last point is in the interior of the earth is a core, and third layer is the core. In the core, start from around a depth of about 2,900 kilometer from the earth surface. That means depth of this layer is 2,900 kilometer from the earth surface. The part of the earth interior extending for the mantle up to the center of the earth is core. The thickness of the core is about 3,471 kilometer. This layer can be divided into outer core and the outer core and the inner core. That means the last layer of the interior of earth is core, and core start from the around a depth about depth किती असते 2,900 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम द अर्थ सरफेस पासून त्याची डेप्थ किती असते 2,900 किलोमीटर. The part of the earth interior extending from the mantle up to center of the earth is core. The thickness of the core about 3,471 kilometer. What is the thickness of this core is the 3,471 kilometer. This layer can be divided into outer core and inner core. That means this layer can be divided into outer core and the inner core. First is the outer core. The outer core extend from around 2,900 kilometer to 5,100 kilometer. The secondary wave cannot passing through this core. This get absorbed in the region. This has led to the scientists the belief that the core could be liquid or semi-liquid in nature. This primary wave traveling through this layer, but their speed reduced when passing through this layer. The density of the outer core is 9.8 grams centimeter cube. This temperature of this liquid outer core is around 5,000 degree Celsius. That means this outer core is extend from around 2,900 kilometer to 5,100 kilometer. तो एक्सटेंड किती कुठपर्यंत झालेला आहे 2,900 kilometer to 5,100 kilometer. The secondary wave cannot passing through this core. That means secondary wave काय होऊ शकत नाही, पास होऊ शकत नाहीत. They get absorbed in this region. This has led scientists to believe that the core could be liquid or semi-liquid in nature. That means some scientists believe that this layer is the liquid or semi-liquid in nature. That means this outer core is some scientists opinion about this layer is these are the liquid or the semi-liquid in nature. The primary waves travel through this layer. That means the secondary waves cannot be passing through this layer, but the primary waves travel through this layer. That means only primary layers passing through this layer, but the speed reduced when passing through this layer. But this primary waves passing or traveling through this layer, but when the passing through this layer, the density of outer core is the density of outer core is the 9.8 gram centimeter cube. That means त्याची outer layer ची density core ची density किती असते 9.8 gram centimeter cube. The temperature of the liquid outer core is around 5,000 degree Celsius. म्हणजे त्याचं टेम्परेचर किती असतं, the temperature of the liquid outer core is around 500 degree Celsius. We have learned that the outer core of the earth interior is a liquid state and the proportion of the iron is more in this layer. That means we learned that the outer core of the earth is interior in liquid state. That means outer core of the earth is made by the liquid, and in this state in this layer found the more iron in this layer. vertical current vertical currents originate in this liquid layer. म्हणजे लिक्विड लेअर मध्ये काय असतं तर आयर्नचं प्रमाण काय असतं जास्त असतं आणि व्हर्टिकल करंट्स ओरिजिनेट कुठून होतात दिस लेयर. This is another characteristic of this area and this is the main characteristic or another characteristic of this layer. The difference between the temperature of this outer and inner core give rise to vertical current, and that means this difference between this temperature of this outer and inner layers gives rise to vertical current. That means ते काय करतात vertical current rise करायला काय करतात मदत करतात किंवा रिस्पॉन्सिबल असतात. द अर्थ रोटेशन्स गिव्ह द एडी circular motions and rotation gives them earth gives them the rotational motion or the circular eddy means circular motion. The electric current developed in the spiral eddies of the liquid iron and thus magnetic field is generated. That means this is in this outer layer, that means the electric current is developed the spiral eddies of the लिक्विड आयर्न. म्हणजे त्या लिक्विड आयर्न मधून काय होतं तर स्पायरल एडीज म्हणजे सर्क्युलर मोशन मधून काय होतं एडीज ऑफ द लिक्विड आयर्न दस मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड इज जनरेटेड आणि तो काय करतो मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड काय करतो जनरेट करतो. इट इज समटाइम कॉल्ड एज द जिओ डायनामोस and this is also known as the geodynamos too. This magnetic field of the earth functional even outside of the earth's surface for the quite is a distance. That means this magnetic field they generate the that means the electric current developed this spiral eddies liquid iron and this magnetic field is generated and this is also known as the geodynamos. And this magnetic field of the earth functional even outside of the earth surface of the quite distance. आणि जी काय होते outside ला काय होते outside functional even outside of the earth surface of the quite distance. As a result the cover developed around the earth because of the magnetic field. That means this is the reason responsible for the field the function even outside of the earth surface quite distance, and as a result the cover developed around the earth is a magnetic field. The earth atmosphere is to protect the solar winds coming from the sun, and this is the earth atmosphere is protected from the solar winds coming from the sun. The magnetic field the developed around the earth and this magnetic field developed काय होते earthला around ला होते. This is called as the magnetosphere and this is also known as the magnetosphere. This is the fifth and important sphere of the earth, and that means this magnetosphere is the fifth important sphere of the earth. Next, inner core. This is the information about the outer core. Here the inner core. Inner core extend from around 5,150 km to depth around 6,371 km earth center. डेप्थ किती असते याची तर 5,150 km to 6,371 km to earth center. It is the core of the earth which is the solid state, but this inner core is the solid state. The density of sphere is around 30.3 grams centimeter cube and त्याची डेन्सिटी किती असते 33.3 ग्रॅम centimeter cube. Iron and nickel are the major element found here. That means the iron and nickel are the major elements found here. Therefore and this layer is also called as a knife, and this is also known as the knife as the material in this layer are under extreme pressure. The inner core is a solid state, and that means this is also known as a knife, and as this material is the layer are as the material in the layer are under the extreme pressure. This inner core is solid state. That means in this layer the layer is under the extreme pressure and the inner core is solid state. Is temperature solid state, the temperature here almost equivalent to the surface temperature of the sun. That means this temperature here is almost equivalent surface temperature of the